Welcome back to another interesting tutorial in Alipay. If you run out of funds and you need money in Alipay, here is how to simply request for money from friend or family or any relative in your Alipay account balance. Let me show you how. Well, before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Very first thing you need to do is to open up your Alipay. The next thing you need to do is to click on scan. The next thing you need to do is to click on pay. The next thing you need to do is to click on receive. The next thing you need to do is to click on these three dots from the top. The next thing you need to do is to click on receive via Alipay. That's going to take you right here. What you need to do right here is enter the person account number right here. The person that wants to send you money, enter the account number right here. Then enter the amount right here. Then optional for the reasons. Once you enter everything, so hit on confirm. Once you click on confirm, the person is going to receive the message of money request in their Alipay. From there, they can send you money successful. Once they send the money to you, the fund is going to be deposited into your Alipay account balance. Let me quickly show you. So what you need to do is to click on here to check on the balance. When the person send you the money is going to be found right here in balance section. Click on balance. So when you click on balance, it's going to load up and show you the balance right here. It's that simple. So basically, this is how to simply request for money in Alipay. For more tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to use Alipay, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.